Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US 11 in Lackawanna County, Pennsylvania. We begin at mile 205 in South Abington Township under darkening skies. The township had a population of 9,526 as of the 2020 census. We passed through the village of Chinchilla here, which has 1,959 residents. It used to be called Leach's Flats until the 1880s when a female postmaster allegedly renamed it after her chinchilla fur shawl. Chinchilla lies in the gorge of Leggett's Creek, which flows south into the Lackawanna River just north of Scranton. Interstate 81, U.S. routes 6 and 11, and the Norfolk Southern Railroad all run through this gorge between Scranton and Clark's Summit. Here, US 11 is named Northern Boulevard. At this junction, we see the northern terminus of Interstate 476, the northeast extension of the Pennsylvania Turnpike. The interchange also provides access to Interstate 81 and US Highway 6 East. Going forward, US 6 West will share pavement with US 11 North for a while. Because we're at the bottom of a gorge, the nearby I-81 is at a higher elevation, and I-476 has to climb even higher out of the gorge from an elevation of about 1,120 feet to about 1,290 feet above sea level. This interchange is spread out, and I-476 makes a wide loop before crossing over Highway 11 again to head southwest. We can see that crossing high above us just ahead. Since this is a busy junction of several major highways, there are a number of motels, gas stations, and other businesses to accommodate travelers here. We enter the borough of Clark's Summit, which had a population of 5,108 as of the 2020 census. The first person to settle in the area was William Clark, no apparent relation to the William Clark of the Lewis and Clark expedition. He had fought in the Battle of Bunker Hill during the Revolutionary War, and as a reward, Congress gave him 800 acres of land in Pennsylvania. However, because of a dispute between Pennsylvania and Connecticut over northern Pennsylvania, the Luzerne County Land Grant Office invalidated Clark's deed. This forced Clark to buy the land himself. In March 1799, Clark and his 3 sons moved into a log cabin in the Abington Wilderness, which is now the site of Clark's Green Cemetery. The first school in the area was built in 1893, but it burned down 2 years later. The village of Clark's Summit and nearby land became the borough of Clark's Summit on August 30th, 1911. Here, US 11 and US 6 are locally named State Street. We conclude today's video at mile marker 210. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.